Today, we're tapping on something that most people never even think to look at. And it's the hidden reason why so many people stay stuck no matter how hard they try. Here's what I've noticed working with people over and over again. This is what I've seen. Someone wants something, they've wanted it for a long time, they've tried everything, and it just doesn't happen. And when I ask them to close their eyes, imagine having it, and then rate it on a scale from 0 to 10, how safe it feels to actually have it, they're shocked because the number that comes up isn't an 8 or a 9. It's like a 2 or a 3, sometimes lower. And that's the answer right there. Consciously, they want it, but unconsciously, where roughly 90% of your thoughts and behavior actually live in the subconscious mind, it just doesn't feel safe. And that 90% will always win, not because it's trying to sabotage you, but because it's trying to protect you based on old programming that made sense once and is quietly running the show now. Today, we're going in and clearing that programming so the thing you want finally has room to actually show up. So close your eyes and breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, bring to mind something you've been wanting that just hasn't happened yet. Hold it clearly in your mind. Imagine actually having it fully, completely in your life right now. And now ask your body this question. Is it safe for me to have this? Not your thinking mind, your body. Notice what comes up. Is there a tightening, hesitation, a quiet but unmistakable feeling that something about having this isn't entirely safe? Now rate that feeling on a scale from 0 to 10. 0 being completely safe and 10 being deeply unsafe. Just notice the number honestly, because whatever just came up, that's what we're clearing today. Now take a breath in and open your eyes. So we will be doing EFT tapping. So this is based on Eastern medicine, like acupuncture, acupressure, plus it's based on EFT tapping, which is emotional freedom techniques. So basically, we just tap on these different meridian points on the body, which are like energy pathways, and then we speak words. Okay, so there's the different tapping points. If you're new to tapping, side of the hand is where we start, and then the inside of the eyebrow. Now you can tap on either side of the body because the meridians are on, they run symmetrically down both sides of the body. You can use one hand or two hands, 2 fingers, 3 fingers. I personally like to tap with 2 hands when I'm just tapping by myself. I like to tap with 2 hands where you can, but you can do whatever you want. So the inside of the eyebrow, this is the tapping sequence. Side of the hand, inside of the eyebrow, side of the eye on the bone, under the eye on the bone, under the nose, okay? Under the chin, the collarbone points, under the armpit about 4 inches, and then top of the head. So those are the tapping points, okay? So now you're just gonna tap along with me, just tap where I tap and just say what I say. Taking responsibility for your own well-being, let's tap. Even though part of me doesn't feel safe having what I want, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though 90% of me is unconsciously working against what I consciously say I want, I choose to love and honor myself and bring those two parts into alignment today. Even though somewhere along the way, I got the message that having this wasn't safe for me. I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself and anyone who played a role in planting that belief. It doesn't feel safe to have what I want. Part of me believes getting this poses some kind of threat to my well-being, to my relationships, to how others see me. All this unconscious resistance. "90% of me making sure this never happens, while 10% of me tries everything to make it work." And that 90% isn't my enemy. It's trying to protect me based on old programming. From a long time ago. That made sense once, but is holding me back now. And I'm choosing to update that programming today with gratitude for how it tried to keep me safe. What am I actually afraid of? What do I think would happen if I got what I wanted? Am I afraid others would be upset? Am I afraid others would be angry? Am I afraid I'd lose love or approval? Am I afraid I couldn't handle it? All these old fears running quietly underneath. I'm clearing them now at a cellular level, clearing all the way back through my past. Every moment I got the message, this wasn't safe. Every time I learned to shrink to keep the peace. Every time I held back to stay approved of. Every time I decided unconsciously that wanting this was dangerous. I'm releasing all of that now, layer by layer. It no longer serves me. If the people who love me truly love me, they want the best for me. And getting what I want is the best for me. I don't have to live in a small comfort zone. To keep everyone else comfortable. I'm allowed to have what I want. I'm allowed to step into more. And the people who truly love me will celebrate that. There will be consequences to getting what I want. And most of them are going to be really good. And I can handle the rest. I can handle what comes with having this. I am more capable than my fears have told me. I am ready for this. It is safe for me to have what I want. It is safe for me to move forward. I'm clearing this fear of getting what I want. I'm clearing this unconscious resistance. I'm bringing my whole self into alignment. All of me moving in the same direction now. It is safe. It is allowed. In my body, in my mind, and in my soul. Close your eyes, breathe in slowly, hold it, and let it go. With your eyes still closed, come back to that thing you want. Imagine having it again. Ask your body one more time, how safe does it feel now? Notice if the number has shifted. Notice if there's more room around the possibility of actually having it. That shift even a small one, is your unconscious mind beginning to update, beginning to agree with what you consciously want. And the more those two parts of you align, the less resistance stands between you and what you've been reaching for. Let that alignment settle into every part of you right now. All of you moving in the same direction finally. Take a breath in and open your eyes. This is some of the deepest and most important work you can do because it's not about trying harder. It's about removing what's been working against you from the inside. When your conscious and unconscious mind finally want the same thing, when all of you is pointed in the same direction, the effort stops feeling like a battle. Things start to flow in ways they never did before. Opportunities you would have missed suddenly become visible. Actions you couldn't bring yourself to take start feeling natural. Keep tapping on this one. Keep asking, is it safe for me to have this? And keep clearing whatever comes up because you deserve to have all of you working for you. Make sure to drink a glass of water after tapping, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.